Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Oraimo. This is the Hyper GaN C120F right down there, and this is similar to the one I unboxed before from them. This actually came, they sent this along with it, but I've just been dealing with a lot of stuff, so I haven't had time to get to this one. So I finally went to unbox this one and check it out. The other one they have actually has a cord on it, and it has two AC outlets as well, so you can use it kind of like an extension cord, and then you have your USB-Cs and your USB-A. This one is just a wall plug with the same 3 USB-Cs, USB-A. Again, it's 120 watts, super fast charging, multi-device charging, so up to 120 watts shared between all the ports. And the one I have, the other one I have does do Samsung super fast charging 2.0, so that is a big plus. As always, these products come very nicely packaged. Very nice box here. If we can get it out, let's see. Is it? No, it's not taped. There we go. A lot of suction, there we go, on that box. So there is the charger there. Again, very nice packaging on their products. There you go. It's about a little bit smaller than an Apple brick, again, but it's way more powerful than an Apple brick, so that's good. Got a little bit of weight to it, but for what you get, not too bad. Like I said, you have 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port right there, and you have your flip out prongs, so very easy to travel with. I don't think this one comes with a cable like the last one did. Yeah, just some paperwork on the bottom of the box there. The other one does come with a nice braided USB-C cable, but this one did not, so it's just your brick right here. So very nice. I'm always looking for these because excuse me, my laptops charge with USB-C. Phones, tablets, all that kind of stuff. So having that super fast charge 2.0 really comes in handy with the Samsung devices. And then, like I said, the 120 watts for my MacBook and my gaming laptop. Very, very nice right there. We'll leave a link to this down in the description where you can pick one up on Amazon. And as always, Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.